How to delete all posts from Facebook page at once. This tutorial shows you methods to remove multiple posts from your Facebook business page. First, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't have a built-in option to delete all posts at once. Next, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Pages to view your managed pages. Moving forward, select a page where you want to delete posts. Afterwards, tap on your page name to go to your page. In addition to that, scroll down to find the Posts section on your timeline. Once there, tap on the three dots on the post you want to delete. Subsequently, tap on Delete or Move to Trash from the menu options. Moreover, confirm the deletion by tapping Delete Post. Afterwards, you'll need to repeat this process for each post individually. Then, if you have many posts to delete, this can be time-consuming. Within Facebook's current system, there's no official bulk delete option. Alternatively, you can use a desktop browser with third-party extensions like Facebook Post Manager to delete multiple posts faster. Once on desktop, these tools can help automate the deletion process for multiple posts. Then, another option is to unpublish your entire page temporarily instead of deleting individual posts. And that's it. If this Facebook page management guide helped you clean up your content, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook page tutorials, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.